Come on in. Welcome to the comic shop. In this one, I'm bringing you Princess Shuri's helmet from Wakanda Forever. So phase one is all done. From here, I'll still have to print out the detail inserts. So just the smaller pieces that come with the file. These topping, oh my, everything came out perfect. I'm not really gonna try to sand this because all of these dots here are pretty much textured, so I don't wanna wear that down. Soldering, putting these two pieces together is gonna be pretty simple. I'm gonna try to do everything from the inside. This is perfect. Phase two, solder and prime. Let's get to it. Besides that, these greebles here, normally DL3D will give you these side pieces or these like accent pieces. They'll give them to you in like a 1x1 section so that we pick one, print one, pick one, print one. But in this situation, they kind of give it to you all in one. So one thing that I would mention, or it's gonna be pretty useful for you to have, I use Slicer to pretty much disconnect all of these parts and then rearrange them in the orientation that fits better for me. I did try printing it just like this, all on the side, and just kind of tried to lay it flat. As you see, some of the pieces are higher in the air, so with those points there would have been more support, so that would have taken me about 12 hours in total. With the orientation that I got them all in, I got it down to 8 hours. So about a 4-hour difference, a lot less support, a lot less wasted material. But I do like this figure that they have it out in, because it's pretty much just exactly how it's going to go onto the helmet. So I guess it's like a diagram for you as well. That's about the only part I think that gave me a challenge in the print as far as orientation or as far as slicing. So I just wanted to break that down for you. Okay, so from here, as you can see, I have all the little pieces sanded down and painted, and I have those marked off from left to right, gold and silver. All of these pieces fit in, like without glue, they sit in perfectly. But of course, to keep them attached in there, we're gonna have to use glue. So one of the glues that I've used a couple of times is this E600. For the eyes, I'm using a white mesh to go over. It's the same mesh that I use for my Spider-Man helmet and for my Wolverine helmet. And then this is the enamel acrylic paint that I'm using here, just to color in these small little dots here. So the next time you guys see this helmet, it'll be all done. guys for watching. As always, if you like this video, definitely hit that like button. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Hit the share button. A lot of people around this time, around this season, Christmas, New Year's, they definitely get new 3D printers. So definitely share this video to help somebody else new, or maybe to inspire somebody to actually take this challenge on. And then subscribe. This is one of two. Of course, printing this helmet. I'm printing out Black Panther's helmet as well. So stay tuned for that. Merry Christmas, guys. Have a happy New Year. Stay safe. It's BZ Comics. Peace.